share your schedule that how actually you like the Singapore office vibes there. That's first. And the second is what is your routine been like and how do you coordinate with the teams? So yeah, over to you, Rajat.
So you want me to share my routine from 2020 or 2021?
A mixture of both. We are still in March, so yeah, 2020's hype in 2021. That
Okay.
will do.
Okay. So I moved to Singapore in 2018, early like Jan. So uh, after that, like my routine was like pretty happening. So the clubs were open, which I'm very fond of. So I used to visit every weekend. But after COVID thing, it all stopped. So like I
So
have
clubbing
not
at
been
home?
able to visit my home. Sorry.
Clubbing at home
Yeah, of
then?
course. We had a lot of house parties. I cannot give you the details, but yeah, we had a lot of house parties with all the film associations. Uh, the early
Very
days were like a bit frustrating staying at
office,
home,
the
but you get
Singapore
used to it.
office.
Singapore office. Actually, I don't really visit Singapore office because I work at like the client location in CAG, so never got much chance to visit Singapore office. It's only the leadership team from Singapore who visits the office there. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, after COVID, I mean, bit of frustration. Then we started having house parties, and you know, a lot of crates coming into home, getting delivered. Then it all started showing up in our bellies. Then we realized, yeah, now we have eat a lot of weight, and we started working out.
Mhm.
Yeah. So that's how it has been.
Hmm. Okay, interesting. The house parties are interesting though, but you are not providing us the details, so we'll live with that.
I don't want to spoil somebody known names from the company, so
Hi, good morning.
Okay. Kuboyo, would you be comfortable sharing your new normal, how you are feeling into the company, and what are your thoughts about uh, the company and your day, how it rolls? So it's just
Yeah,
general.
yeah. I just passed a year in weeks ago. So I started in September, March 2020, before COVID. I've never seen anybody from the team. I mean, physically. So, but I work closely with Shifa and Mitesh. Mitesh was there. I have some opportunity to be part of the and I came. So I know people like them, like this, and I still have to learn a lot. And even though I've been there for almost a year now, I still have to learn a lot. Um, Work-wise, I'm holding it down, try to do my best with them to
Uh,
manage.
Sorry, really sorry to interrupt. We are getting a hard time to understand Kuboyo, if we can.
Kabir,
I
you're
think there
breaking
is
a
some
bit
Bandwidth
issue.
issue.
for
Yeah,
us.
Kabir.
bandwidth
It's not
issue.
smooth.
I think there is network issue.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
let me try to rejoin. Maybe it'll be better.
Now you sound like now you sound right. Now there is not an issue.
Okay. Now you can hear me now.
Yes,
Yes.
we can hear
Yeah,
you.
so I do like I said, I like the team, I like the company. It's there's a lot of nice people around here. They try to assist you in everything. So I'll stick with you guys as long as I can. So yes, I like the team, I like the company. InfoSec, I have never heard about InfoSec up till I got hired here in this company, and I like it. It's very good team to work with. I don't complain.
So good to hear, Kabir. I think we are seeing each other for the first time, being in
Yes,
the
yes,
same team.
yes,
So so glad that we could have this call to see each other.
yeah.
Right. Thank you so much, Kuboyo, for that. Sneha, the next one is for you. What is the one thing that you miss about the office the most, right? And any favorite spot that you would love to spend some time, go and spend some time.
I miss the cultural gatherings and the get-togethers that we used to have for any kind of festivals or retreat or ICANNs or likewise. There has been a lot of other activities that we used to have. Although we have all kinds sort of virtual connects like we are having it right now, but imagine having this kind of conversations in person in a meeting room in an atrium or somewhere around in Delhi or wherever it is. It is entirely a different experience. So I believe that that is something which I miss the most. I of course miss office's cafeteria because now I have to cook it for myself, and I just miss that bhaiya ke haath ka khana, sandwich, omelette, everything. I never thought that I would miss office's food much, but yeah, that is another thing that. So that is pretty much of it.
Yeah, we do miss the same things. So thanks for that, Sneha. So, Mary, the next question is for you. Share the funniest incident that happened. I mean, during the client connects or the inter-team connects. So, would you like to share any such incident if it ever happened with you, Mary?
During our team connects, really haven't had anything bizarre happen, but I've only, I've been with InfoSeps. I'm coming up on my 1 year anniversary. So, it's been a challenge, just to try and keep everything moving with Vizient. They're a new client to InfoSeps too. And we've had a lot of, stuff going on with the upgrades and taking on more and more and more with them. So, they've really grown to trust InfoSeps very, very quickly, which is awesome. So, that they feel comfortable continuing to give us more work. So hopefully that'll continue, especially in the journey that we're trying to go with InfoSeps as a whole.
Yeah. Thank you, Mary, for
I
sharing.
think just so you guys are aware, from a personal perspective, probably the weirdest thing that's happened to me in 2020 as a whole, I was in Wisconsin helping my mom with cancer battle #1 when COVID hit and I had to fly home to Florida. I got on a plane with 5 people and an airport that was completely empty of people. That was probably the weirdest thing I have ever experienced.
Yes.
So that was kind of weird. I actually have pictures of there's no people in this airport.
Yeah, that's weird. And we hope that your mom is doing good now, Mary.
She's been challenged. I actually just got home again. She had a second round of cancer that she's recovering from. So it's been 2020 was not a good year for us, and we'd like to forget it.
Seriously, we'll just have to delete it. We agree. Right. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing that. So the question is, how do you manage the distractions during the day? Is it a challenge for you? Too many back-to-back meetings, and then all the mess going around in your place. Would you like to share anything on that?
Well, for me, I think the most important factor is when I start my day till whenever I end it. What's the absolute important factor is I have to look good. Okay, that's a key factor. The rest of it can go take a hike. I don't care, how the decks look. I don't care really how the kitchen or the house looks. As long as I look good, that's what matters. So that's the primary agenda, all right? That is the primary agenda. The rest of it all falls in place, because that's really where I'm at. So yeah, everything else really does fall in place. But having said that, I think it's for me personally, I'm doing a lot of work. It's a long day for me. As a consultant, normally there's far less hours that I involve, and I parallelly manage my parents' home and I manage mine. I have my foundation that I work with. I have professional or work commitments here at InfoSeps. There's a home to look after, food to be cooked for 2 places. So there is all of that, and one juggles many balls in the air. But like I said, once you focus and say, okay, am I looking good doing this? Which means essentially, do I have a smile on my face? And if I do have that smile, then I think everything else falls in place.
Yeah, I'll agree with you.
Yeah. So I
I'll
think
have to
that's it,
manage
right?
too,
We
but yeah.
all do this. All of us do
Yes,
this.
yes, all of us. I agree. Okay, that was good hearing you. Samita, we have one thing for you too. So, can you please share the favorite part of working from home? We all know that you actually like dancing, right? And we have seen couple of videos. I personally have had a word with you also during the video, the dance video that we were making earlier back then. So, would you like to share any favorite part of working from home? And would you like to continue this new normal even if the COVID is gone? I hope so, though. But yeah.
Not actually. I don't want this to continue. So thing is like since I've completed my school, I've never been to my home. So this is more like a summer vacation to me. So I never visited my home. So now I don't have an option, and Chennai is completely closed. So I don't have an option. I have to be at my home. So initially I used to cry a lot because all my friends they are in Chennai. So we generally hang out, and I was going on for Kathak class and all in Chennai. So when I came home, it was little depressing for me to adapt to the new situation. But eventually, I guess everyone got that resilience, right, to adapt to the situation. We started exploring what to do next. Like few of them, they started planting. They were doing gardening and stuff. And also thing is like my parents, they were very happy that I was at home. Now I don't have an option to run anywhere. So thing is they were happy on that part. But I had more time to spend with my family, and my brother's son was born during this COVID. So basically I had a very good time with him. So if I was at Chennai, I don't think I would have spent much time with him. And it goes by that. And I became a little fat, so that is depressing for me.
No, that's the same thing that is happening to everybody here. So we all are gaining kilos and kilos, and I might reach century too. So, so it's the same for everybody.
Basically, I miss my friends, so I just want to meet all of them again. And so it's difficult actually to sit. For me, it's very difficult to sit at home. I guess it's the same for everybody. We need to
Yeah,
socialize, of course.
yeah,
But we
that's what.
started spending time. I mean, like the personal space. We have given more time for the family. We've got time for cooking. We started doing many other stuffs like gardening and stuff. So people are exploring. Many of them joined to gym as well, right? So everybody are exploring on that part, and we stopped spending more. Like if it's not COVID, then probably we would have not within the limits. So we started spending I less. won't agree to this point because most of my expenses are now going towards Zomato and
Zomato
Swiggy.
and Swiggy.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's it from my part. It's good, but
yeah,
anyways, we started adapting. This is one good
right.
thing that we understood our strength. I mean, like whatever life takes us, we are accepting it and we are blending with the thing, right? So that is one thing
Right,
good. One good thing about COVID. So we have accepted things and we have got a lot of strength and resilience.
right,
Hey,
right.
Max.
Hello, Max. We see you join.
Yeah,
How are you
good to
doing?
see him join.
I'm
In fact,
doing
when you
well.
girls were talking about ordering food in and saying you're spending so much money, and I was watching the expression that Rajat had on, and I was saying, okay, this is just so common in Singapore, where right from the morning tea comes from outside, right? People pick up these little doggy bags of their morning tea, and you
Yeah.
see them walking back home. I think it's only an
Yeah.
Indian thing where we want to cook all our meals and the snacks in between, and probably make enough to be able to take it over to the neighbor's place as well, right? So Zomato's taking that away from us. With us, in the Indian context, we don't believe in cooking just for ourselves. It's always a little extra that gets cooked, and so I can share with the neighbor.
Even if you say I love cooking, I personally love cooking. But if I'm expected to do it daily, morning, evening, night, then I can't do it.
Ooh, like
Right.
meal prep. You ever try that? Like make a meal beforehand and like as much as possible.
Yeah, and freeze it probably, right?
Sometimes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Right. So,
That's something I
Matt.
have to get used to.
Mhm. Right, Aparna. So, Max, we were just having a general chit chat around how our days have been through this year, how the working from home we are experiencing. So, we would like to hear from you as well. That what is your experience? What is your routine basically when you start your day, right? And what are the key things that you actually take out time and just say, hang on for a meeting? I have one important thing to do. So, is there a thing that you would like to do and then stop all the meetings and then go and cover the meeting? Basically, we just want to know what is the schedule and how are you feeling in InfoSeps. So yeah, so
Sure.
that's yeah.
Well, I think the meetings used have been really efficient on the project and at InfoSeps. So like I'm only in meetings to get things done, or there's the social stuff like this. This doesn't really count as a meeting to me in this, what I'm talking about. So I like love to make time for meetings. That's when a lot of work gets done, or you get somebody's ear for a minute. So I don't really have that problem. My problem is more just keeping my calendars synced up. For security reasons, it's not all interlocked, so just got to update it manually.
We always do that.
I wish I would have heard
One-on-one with a self, right? That's important.
Yeah, it's just gotta stay. It's something to stay on top of. It's good.
Right. Okay. So never have I ever skipped a Teams or WebEx meeting saying that my internet is not working.
Oh, come on, shameful.
Yeah, shameful.
Oh, okay. Hey, life comes first.
Skip on.
Mary, I can't see.
Are you just chilling playing video games? I don't think so, right? So I think it's shameful.
Okay. So next one is never have I ever dropped a call saying that I have one urgent thing to do and it was just playing on the video game. Never?
I'm obedient.
The reason was different, but I have.
Oh,
Never.
Complex. Life is
you
complex.
didn't get to
Don't play video games, so nope.
No video
I
games.
don't even know how to play video games, so
As in everyone,
You're my
please
kind
know-
of a man
please,
cowboy
please,
then in that
please
case.
note that this call is being recorded.
I can guarantee you that there will be no
Watch this.
action. So
Look,
absolutely no
Rajat
worries.
has already disappeared. He posted, he phased himself, and look, he's gone. He isn't even there.
I'm here. I'm here.
Oh, really? I can't see
Roshni
your
just picked up
screen
from
move at
the
all.
former connect, right?
Who has the ability to delete the meeting?
So never have I ever worked on weekend. Worked on weekend. I have.
I have all the time.
Oh my God! Everybody.
Last weekend
Almost.
only.
Oh, yes.
All hardworking people. No hardly
Yeah.
working people here.
No, it's not that. It's not like if you're working on weekends, you're hardworking. It's just probably we weren't able to manage it during your
Yes.
weekdays.
Yeah, right.
exactly.
It's just bad time management.
Sure.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm not even going to
Maybe
say time
bad
management. We
management
just have
of the
maintenance
expectation.
going on every weekend, so it's just a thing.
Never have I ever attended a Teams call from the kitchen.
Oh, all the time. Just
Oh,
did
no, that I
right now.
haven't.
My kids. My kids need to
Just
I don't
finished
know.
doing that. I was on a call with, or rather, listening to the humans of InfoSets, and I was in my kitchen throughout. So yeah, well,
Any calls which might require me in the kitchen, which doesn't require screen sharing or much involvement, is through kitchen only.
yes, yes.
Okay. So, secrets coming up. I like those. All right. All right. So next one is never have I ever fallen asleep during a call.
I did.
Oh, I have. Just last week.
No, that I haven't done.
You didn't
I
call?
have you.
I
I
haven't
have
worked that hard yet. No, that's pretty wild though.
on an
This is
afternoon
weird.
post-lunch
Oh.
call.
Who's I have? Anybody's? I can't. Mine's too big. I can't always see. Did anybody say I have?
I have. I said I have.
Oh my.
Even me.
It must have been a boring meeting.
It
Yeah.
happens after lunch.
Yeah, it was just. Oh my God, it was a tough one.
I can't even fall asleep during my actual sleep hours, so sleeping in a meeting is difficult.
Oh
If
my
somebody
God.
schedules a meeting right after lunch, that's they're asking for
Yeah, it's just terrible stuff.
sleep.
And when you're not really speaking all the time yourself, and there's a bunch of people who are contributing, it's just so easy to doze off. And then suddenly
Sure.
someone turns around and asks you a question. You're saying, "Oh my God, forget the answer. I don't even know what's the blessed question."
Yeah.
Okay. So the last one. Never have I ever attended a virtual party. So everybody has have to answer it correct. Okay.
Right.
Never have I ever attended.
Virtual party.
Yes,
Have had plenty,
No.
I have. Oh.
plenty of parties, plenty of virtual parties.
Virtual parties, no.
Yes, lots of them. With everybody sitting in their own house drinking their own booze, it saves me a lot of cost. Believe me.
I bet a lot of people
You can just raise a toast. You pick up your drink of your choice. It's no longer BYOB. It's not bring your own booze. It just says drink your own booze, and it's a DYOB now.
It's a BYOB, yeah.
Yeah,
It's
so
hard
no
to
DY.
buy
It's not. It's a DYOB now.
It's hard to buy someone a
Yes.
drink from Aparna.
Yeah.
A little more solitude.
Right.
I
It was
drink together. Need not be in the physical space.
Sure. I agree.
Yeah.
so next time I think Karthik, we can have a virtual party. We have too many inputs. Okay.
Should be
All right.
after office hours then.
And no recording.
Yeah.
Yes, not record.
Point to be noted.
Noted. Yeah.
So time zone is something, some
probably
of us
Rajat cannot
can.
complain because it is
Yeah.
already like late night over there in Singapore.
Yeah. It's late night in
So you can
Singapore.
have
It's
that on a
the
Friday or
end of our
Saturday.
day.
Friday, yeah. Friday. You can
Yeah.
have a beer during the day on
And
Friday.
then, Barry and Max
So
are saying
Max, even if we do it on Friday, it will be your morning.
we
It
could
might
plan
be
a
a happier
Monday,
day for
We could
us.
plan when it's a holiday in one of the places.
I've had, yeah.
Yeah.
No.
So when we have a US holiday next.
I am sure if there is a holiday, they will even agree to attend this call.
Oh, we were partying. Remember, that's the idea.
I
We're
don't know,
not
my
on a
day
call.
might be better
we're
if I day
partying.
drink.
Low level holiday.
We're inviting people to party, not to not on a call. So one of the holidays, whenever it's next, let's plan a party. A holiday in the US that gives us the timelines, and
we have India holiday this Monday on account of Holi.
yeah.
So on Monday and also on the Friday. So we just have to work
Yeah.
like 3 days.
3
and
working
that's so
days.
cool. Yes. That's so nice.
But
Okay.
unfortunately, it's COVID.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
you can't go out.
Cold? Really?
Lockdown. It's just
COVID
just
is ruining
Good Friday.
holidays.
It's a Good Friday, and
I agree with you, Mary.
You can't do anything on them.
We actually can't do anything. Even dressing up is like, why am I even dressing up? I do not have to go out, and then yeah, it's difficult, but yeah.
But it's
That's
okay.
it.
Like Aparna said, that if you dress up well, you feel good about yourself, even though if no one is looking at you, you should feel
Yeah.
good about yourself.
You still got to do that. You know, you
Yeah.
still got to get up and, get a shower and get dressed and feel human.
Perfect.
You know?
Yeah, exactly. At least use those clothes which are still fitting it in.
Right.
You never know, they might not fit you for 6 months later.
Wear them now while you can.
Post COVID, we need to have another sort of allowance added to the salaries, perhaps, which says new wardrobe allowance.
Right.
And gym
I'm
membership.
glad this is getting recorded.
I would have the comp and ben team, ask me to quit. If they heard some such ideas, they'd say, "Listen, you just go home. You're a bad influence."
We're going to need clothing allowance and gym memberships.
Oh, totally.
Yeah,
Totally.
that's a valid point.
So agree
Hey.
with that. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Agree.
All right. So time for the last section, that is the feedback section. So please, I'll just keep it a little short. So we all have that one window, right, where the emoticon shows one hand like this.
Mhm.
Can you see that and just provide us the feedback as to how do you like the events, this event, but in particular? So yeah, your feedbacks in the form of emoticons. So yeah, please. I'll do in the count of 3. I'll count. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Let's go together.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, that's so nice. Feels good. All right. Okay. So I think, yeah, that was all from our side. So we have the team, we have Karthik, we have Weber, and we have Florence, and we have Saurabh and myself, Roshni. So thank you so much. We are glad you all joined, and we look forward for more such interactions. So thank you, everybody. Have a good rest of the day.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
for organizing.
Bye.
Thanks, Roshni,
Have
for
a good day. Bye.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Roshni. Thank you, everybody.
You should
Thank
take
you.
it to the larger audience. I think it was a brilliant idea. You must take it to the larger audience.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thanks,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.